Hey guys, Richard Miller here again with another 2-minute type tip, and today I'm going to be talking about how to access all glyphs in a certain font that you have. So the way to get to this is you go up to Window and then scroll down to Type and then Glyphs, and this will open up your Glyphs palette. So if you click on a font here, this is a font, this is Blunt, a font that I designed as kind of a replacement for Impact, and you go over here to your Glyphs palette and it shows you all the different characters or glyphs that are in the whole font. So you just open it up, you just click in there, and then double click on whatever you want, and any character that you want that's in the font, it just gets put in there. One use that I use it a lot for is if I'm ever trying to type out a height. You try to type out 6 foot 2 inches, and by default, it takes the straight quotes and turns it into the right quotes. Now that's great if you're writing a sentence, but if you're trying to do something that needs the straight quotes, such as this inches and feet, then basically there's no way to get to that. Well, if you highlight it and then you find the straight quotes in the Glyphs palette, double click on that, and boom, now I've got 6 foot 2 inches the way it's supposed to be. Another use is, let's say you're trying to create this cool design and you want to swap out these letters for foreign language letters that look similar. So maybe I want to put in some of these crazy looking letters, and you just basically double click and you can swap it out. And that's one way to get a cool effect if you don't know how to access all these letters just through the keyboard. This is a font, Uniform Pro, that I recently designed. I've got some symbols. I got a sarcasm mark, I got some arrows, I got a star, I got a box, Greek letters, I got Russian letters. So if there's other characters that you want to access that you can't type it out on your keyboard, this is the way to access all those characters. Another use for it is if you're doing a true Wingdings font. Instead of just typing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, trying to find the exact symbol that you want, you just type out all the letters over and over and over again until you find it. If you go to the Glyphs palette, you can see all the different Wingdings. If you're looking for something specific, you're like, oh, I'm looking for a heart symbol. It's not there. You go to Wingdings 3, and it's not there. You go to Dingbats, and okay, finally found a heart symbol. Hope this helped. Subscribe. I try to release at least one of these type tips every week. See you in the next video.